In this video, we will talk about foods to replace your vitamin supplements. As most college students have discovered, maintaining a healthy diet while attending classes may be challenging. Between late-night pizza and all-you-can-eat college dining halls, it's easy to forget about fruits and vegetables, which are high in the vitamins and nutrients we need to operate. We must give our bodies the vitamins they require in order for them to function at their optimum. Even though it's no secret that gummy vitamins are delicious, they don't always provide us with all the vitamins we require. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. You can receive most of your vitamins from food, which is the best method to absorb them if you keep a balanced diet. If you receive your vitamins through food and take supplements on top of that, you may end up with higher than recommended vitamin dosages, which can be hazardous in some circumstances. Multivitamins have also been studied extensively, and the results suggest that they do not typically improve health. So instead of buying pills, invest in vitamin-rich foods. So do your body a favor and include some of these items in your diet. I am confident you will feel better, get ill less, and have more energy for those late nights. Oranges are number one. Don't simply put them through a juicer. This fibrous citrus fruit can help you lose weight if you eat it whole. In addition to providing your daily dose of vitamin C, one orange also contains additional nutrients including folate, potassium, and vitamin B1. One medium orange provides just 62 calories and enough fiber and water to keep you feeling full until your next meal. Red peppers, kale, and Brussels sprouts are all good sources of vitamin C. Number 2, the liver. Any animal's liver is the most nutrient-dense organ. Vitamin B12, vitamin A, iron, folate, and copper are among the important nutrients found in it. Vitamin B12 is very essential since many individuals are deficient in it. It is essential for the health of cells, the brain, and the neurological system. Vitamin B12, vitamin A, and copper are all abundant in beef leaf. However, you should not consume liver more than once or twice a week to avoid nutrient toxicity. Number 3, Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts may be the ideal snack if you are deficient in selenium. Thyroid and immune system function, as well as antioxidant activity, are all dependent on selenium. Each nut contains up to 95 micrograms of selenium. For people, the top tolerance limit for selenium is around 300 to 400 mcg per day, so don't consume too many of these. Number 4, consume oysters. Oysters are some of the most nutrient-dense shellfish available, whether fresh or canned. Oysters include 17.5 grams of protein and more than 100% of the daily required iron intake in a 1-cup serving. Let us discuss sources of water-soluble vitamins. B1, watermelon, acorn squash, ham, soy milk. Vitamin B2 sources include milk, yogurt, cheese, whole and fortified grains, and cereals. Vitamin B3 sources include meat, poultry, fish, fortified and whole grains, mushrooms, and potatoes. Vitamin B5 sources include chicken, whole grains, broccoli, avocados, and mushrooms. Vitamin B6 sources include meat, fish, chicken, beans, tofu, and other soy products and bananas. Vitamin B7 sources include whole grains, eggs, soybeans, and fish. Vitamin B9 foods include fortified grains and cereal, asparagus, spinach, broccoli and legumes, black-eyed peas and chickpeas, as well as orange juice. Vitamin B12 sources include meat, poultry, fish, milk, cheese, fortified soy milk, and cereal. Vitamin C sources include citrus fruits, potatoes, broccoli, bell peppers, spinach, strawberries, tomatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Let us discuss fat-soluble vitamins. Beef, liver, eggs, shrimp, salmon, fortified milk, sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkins, spinach, and mangoes are all high in vitamin A. Vitamin D is found in fortified milk and cereals, as well as fatty fish. Vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables, whole grains, and nuts are high in vitamin E. Garbage, eggs, milk, spinach, broccoli, and kale are all high in vitamin K. Thank you for watching our video that explains foods to replace your vitamin supplements. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist. Everything you watch here is for educational purposes and does not serve as a piece of medical advice. Make sure you consult your doctor before making any health decisions.